Hi, I'm Marco Verveer, Portfolio Manager for Josam. I'm here at the Bologna show in Italy and I'm talking about the integration of the TREADREADER tire scanner. We recently launched the 4.3 version where we have integrated the TREADREADER here together with CAMAligner, helping you to get additional information on wear and tear. So you could, in combination with your alignment, also scan the tires. Looking here, you see the tire scanned. You can enter the tire data as seen here with the width and the ratio, mileage, brand, summer, winter. You can log air pressures, and it shows a nice 3D picture of the scan made of the actual tire. Also, the reports are nicely made, combining the alignment with the tire scans. Some additional features: we have a better integration with ADAS. By integrating the TREADREADER into our alignment software, it gives it an even greater customer experience by having the alignment data combined with the tire status, as well as a possible frame check in the same report. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to have more information regarding the new features, please check out our website or contact one of our distributors. Thank you.